In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate percentage difference in Microsoft Excel. We'll walk through a simple, reliable way to show how much a value has increased or decreased relative to where it started. This is perfect for tracking sales month over month, comparing budgets to actuals, or measuring performance changes over time. The idea is straightforward. Percentage difference equals the change divided by the original value. Start by opening Microsoft Excel and heading to a blank worksheet or the file where your data lives. To keep things organized, place your original value in cell A2 and your new value in cell B2. If you'd like, add labels in row 1, something like original over A1 and new over B1, so the columns are easy to read, especially if you'll revisit this later or share it with others. Next, click into cell C2, where we'll calculate the percentage difference. Type the formula exactly as follows: E equals B2A2, A2. This formula subtracts the original value from the new value to get the change, then divides that change by the original value to express it as a proportion. Press enter. You'll see a decimal result at first, something like 0.15 for a 15% increase or 0.08 for an 8% decrease. Positive values indicate growth, while negative values indicate a drop. If you have more rows of data, apply the same calculation down the column. Select cell C2, then hover over the small square at the bottom right corner of the cell, the fill handle. Click and drag it down to copy the formula for all your rows. If your data set is neatly aligned with no gaps, you can also double-click the fill handle and Excel will autofill to the bottom of your data range. Now let's make the results easy to read. Select the results in column C, right-click, choose Format Cells, and pick Percentage. Set the decimal places to what makes sense for your context. 2 decimals are common for finance, while 1 decimal might be enough for high-level reporting. Click OK, and those decimals instantly turn into clean percentages like 1500% or 800%. A quick sanity check helps. If the original is 80 and the new value is 100, you should see 25% since the change is 20 over the original 80. If the original value is 0, Excel can't compute a percentage change and will show an error, so review your data in those cases. That's it. You've calculated percentage differences, filled them down efficiently, and formatted them for clarity. Save your workbook and you're ready to analyze and present your results with confidence.